whatever. check only. I give you a discount.
No, I take video right
Why?
now. Take video right now.
Ah, okay.
YouTube, yes, YouTube.
Keep safe, boss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you, okay. What? No, tricycle, not need, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, not need. Penguin bar also. No, I don't want to walk here because really not safety. I am alone.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Plus, drinks all you can pay by the only.
Okay, only. Okay, thank you. No, inside. Girls sit in the bar. Penguin bar. Okay. Is McDonald's, не McDonald's, freelancers always.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
What's up, sir?
Okay.
Good service, sir.
Okay. They said good service. What kind of service? What they want? Also. Okay. a walk. Take a look. Okay, okay.
Good evening.
Good evening.
May ba po?
No. No, I not need.
500 ring all you can boss.
No. Not need, thank you. Maybe, yeah. KTV bar.
Club boss, KTV bar.
Okay, no.
Look boss, club.
No, I take a look only.
Take a look.
No, I want
Okay, send me.
with video not allowed. I take video.
This is okay. It's okay video. Yeah. Not allowed.
Pink lady, yes? Okay. 500. What is 500 for what?
Ano, unlimited drink, sir.
Ah.
1.5 hours, sir.
500 unlimited drink with girl. And need to pay additional for girl also, or not?
Okay, yeah.
How much need for
400 pesos.
Huh?
400 pesos.
400 for girl need pay.
Yes. If you want to give the drinks of the girls, 400, another 400.
Another 400. So total about 1,000 need for. About minimum 1,000.
1,600. Yeah,
Okay. And also restaurant have Japanese. Okay. Thank you.
Boss, Alejandro, I'm the answer to your question.
Okay.
Question, girls.
May I help you?
Okay, thank you very much.
You like, boss? Girls.
First time I'm here, I want to take a look all.
Kung todo, kung pumoro, wala namang pera.
I little bit understand. Okay. Next time. Thank you. Superstar Club.
But boss, try to check. Check.
I want to take a look only.
See the ambience.
Yeah, I first time, that's why I don't know.
The number one in Malate.
Number one is Zebra?
Yes.
Or no?
Number one.
It's a KTV.
KTV bar. Also KTV.
Yeah.
So many KTV.
TV, 500 pesos only.
500 is 90 minutes.
Yeah. Request the girls 350. And the latest drink is 350.
350 lady drink, extension 60 minutes 400.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take a look.
No, next time. No, thank you, next time.
Just take a look. It's only Richard.
Next time, thank you. Next time, of course, but not me. Maybe someone from my subscribers can, but not me. Okay, thank you. No, thank you.
But beautiful lady. Oh.
Yes, yes. No, thank you, thank you.
Take care.
Oh, Japanese restaurant. Good evening. Japanese restaurant in KTV.
Yes, here boss, this is a KTV. That's
Aha.
our club here, our system. For
Aha.
500 peso.
500 is 90 minutes.
Yes, drink all you can.
Only drink. Okay.
Drink, yes, beer,
Ah,
whiskey.
with lady drink 40,
Yes, it's
400.
up to you if you want to give.
Aha.
If you want to request a lady, it's 350.
Aha, request lady sit with you. Oh, with someone 90 minutes, yeah?
Yes, 90 minutes also. And you drink all you can.
Okay.
You
Oh.
can take a look for free. boss.
Next time, thank you. Next time. Thank you. Japanese. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Two girls asking massage also. I already going to my car. I don't want to walk here. It's time now 9:30 now AM. Shaira sit in the car because I don't want if she walk with me in this area.